Why does your scanner show the P07A4 engine code? What does it mean? P07A4 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission friction element B, performance, or stuck off. The P07A4 engine code for indicate CM, or transmission control module, TCM, has detected that a specific clutch or friction element, B in the transmission, is either failing to engage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or degraded transmission fluid, faulty shift or pressure solenoid, internal hydraulic leak or blockage, worn clutch plates, damaged wiring or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.